And that is the stuff that actually needs to be rewired. And that's why you hire me to actually help you get the brain piece going, because you might have had the most amazing experience, but in 3 months down the road, you're going to go right back to where you were. And then you'll be like, oh, yeah, I had that great experience. Huh, it's weird how that didn't work. Huh, okay. So, how does burnout alter your money brain? So that's a great question that people have asked me. And I will just simply share this and say that if you're not sleeping well enough, if you're not feeling motivated or energized, if you are feeling down or low about any new opportunities or what's in front of you, your brain will reflect that and will keep returning back to the past, to failures, to things that are out of your control. And you might actually look depressed and anxious. And sometimes people actually experience trauma because their workplace is just not happy place to be, and the burnout is so severe. So burnout isn't just something that just kind of, oh, I don't feel well today.